outside.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. And today we have
Joseph Dad.
Joseph Dad is back in the building. And today's video it's a late start to the day, but we're going to go to the Nike outlet. It's been a minute since we've been out.
This welcome hat looks familiar. Oh my god, no.
What the hell is that? Hey, go check on see what that is so we can finish this video out. Who the heck?
It's a package for Bobby's Sneaker World, dude. But you're not Bobby's Sneaker World.
Oh.
No, sir, you have to sign.
You got some paperwork for me to sign?
No.
You know
What?
You know who I am?
I can't let you take that package.
You know who I am?
No, I don't.
I'm about to stick the world on. Watch out there now. I'm gonna go ahead and take this on inside. You go on ahead and go about your way.
You're crazy! Daddy, I think Uncle Bernie was arguing with somebody. I don't know what happened, but
Watch out there work now. Listen. Here's some dope thing trying to deliver this package to you. I told him go ahead and give it to me. You know what I'm saying? I kicked him in his butt on the way out down the steps. So I got this for you. Jesus Christ, dude!
what is wrong with you?
Ow! Teach these kids how to talk to grown up. Get out. I'm sorry, I mean to talk to you like that. Can you please go in the living room? I have to. Thank you for bringing my package. Can you go in the living room, please? Thank you. Y'all got way too much going on right now. Anywho, so I guess I have a package in. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the Nike outlet. Let's crack into this. All right, y'all. So I know what this package is, man. First of all, I want to give a huge shout out to somebody that does not even know me, Mike Rich. For you, those of you that watch his videos, I was watching one of his videos, and as y'all know, I think he's sponsored by 89 Clothing. He put out a promo code, which is just his name, Mike Rich, to give 50% off on anything that you purchase off 89. So I was like, 50% off, that's crazy. Let me just go in there and see what I can get and get a huge discount. And what I chose to do was get a mystery box. And for a mystery box of $50, you get 3 sweatshirts. So that was a steal in itself. But with 50% off on top of that, I had to pull the trigger. So once again, huge shout out to Mike Rich. Anybody that talks to Mike Rich, hey, let them know that I say salute, and salute to 89 Clothing. Let's get into this bag and see exactly what, you know what I'm saying, what I can get for like $30. I've never owned anything from 89 before, but whatever I get, I can't lose for that price. Look like it's all black, so I can't really make out what this is yet. Let's see what we got. Black is one of my favorite colors. I hope it's just something simple, because that's what I'm all about. Now look at this. Look at the simplicity of this. You got the 89 logo right here. I'm gonna try to get this close because you won't be able to see this. If you guys know what Argyle looks like when you see somebody, like an old man with Argyle socks, they got like the triangles all over it. If you look really closely at this, it's like a triangle, all triangles all over the crew neck. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but this is something that I need. All black and gold, 2 of my 3 favorite colors, black, gold, and red is my other favorite color. This alone Mystery box already paid for itself for me. That's one. It's the receipt. Got something else black. This has a zipper on it. So I don't even know what it is, but I already know that's high quality. You put a zipper on something, that pays for itself. What's this? I don't know if this is just a pattern. Let's see if I can make out what's on it. I don't know what this pattern is. I don't know what this pattern is. I don't know if that's clouds. I don't know. But it's in the small details. What does that say? What does that say? Before Alright. Down the right sleeve, I think that says Sneak Truth. Down the right sleeve.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let me see what it says on the left sleeve. It says something over here too. Oh, okay. Let me start that over for y'all, because that doesn't say sneak at all. You can't, oh, the P is going through it. Look at that, look at it. All right. Let's do this one more time. That says speak truth to power. Speak truth to power. And then you got your 8 and 9 tag down here. It's so heavy. Zipper down the front. I don't think there's anything on the back. Listen. I'm getting hoodies on hoodies on hoodies. Oh, yes. I've seen somebody else with this. It's plain right here. Y'all are, this is thick too. This is crazy. Look at this. Pop. Juice. Earn it. Power and respect. On this sleeve, you got your 1989. On this sleeve, you got your 8 and 9 logo. This is fire. And up here on this, it's like a nylon. I don't know if that's 3M or what that is. I don't know if that's 3M or not. But it's on both shoulders. And you got Pac on the front. And the Raiders logo. Power on the back. Respect. Listen, I might do another video at another time with me trying each one of these on, but I already took up enough time with the beginning of this video, so I'm gonna try to get this out as quick as possible. As y'all can see, huge shout out to Mike Rich. All 3 of these pieces are fire. All 3 of them are dark and it's black, my favorite colors. And it's cold as hell here in Ohio. All 3 of these will be unrocked. Got the mystery box, $50. 50% off. Mike Rich is the promo code. So, hey, I can't say anything else. Hey, if 8, 9, y'all looking for another, you know what I'm saying, somebody to rock your merchandise, you know, holla at your boy. The email will be down in the description below. Holla at me. But nah, I'm gonna get out of y'all way, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that big red subscribe button. If it's still red and not gray, you're doing it wrong. That means you're not subscribed yet. Hit that notification bell so you get all of my uploads. Try to incorporate my son into more and more and more of my videos. Man, we love y'all. OV!